Hey you guys, I'm Jay.
And I'm Lisa.
We're Our Simple Adventures. And we're gonna bring you guys along. We gotta run some errands today. So come along with us. Be right back.
My apartment is a mess. There's no room for happy.
First stop, Walmart. Just here to pick up a couple things. And it's just here to pick up some toilet paper. I'll do the rest of my big shopping later. But the toilet paper that we use is just the Walmart brand. We have learned and found out that that works the best in the RV, and lucky for us, it's also the cheapest. But the Walmart brand works good for an RV. So I'm just there to pick that up. All right, got what we needed here.
Yeah, just that cheap Walmart brand. You know, for you RVers that you don't need any special kind of toilet paper. That's the cheapest, and it works great for us.
Okay, so next is pick up a mail, and we actually just found a private mailbox that in a strip center that we like, and purchased a box, and all of our mail gets delivered there, which is nice that she does forward the mail. We just have to email her and have her forward anything that we want, and they don't keep she does sort through the mail and gets rid of all the ads and non-important stuff, so we don't worry about that, or she feels is non-important, and just mails us the important stuff. All right, lots of medical bills for me.
Okay, time for some lunch. We are headed into Heidi's Brooklyn Deli. Gosh, if they're open, then maybe they're not even open. Wow, they're closed. They're closed on Saturday and Sunday. That's crazy. Yeah, they get some good sandwiches. All right.
Well, that's too bad,
Where do you want to go now?
I was really looking forward to that.
Could do Fuzzies, I guess.
I don't want bar food.
Okay. All right, so we did Subway. Subway's always a good
fallback.
Yeah. And I had a new sandwich to me, the Great Garlic. Oh my gosh, try that if you haven't, and do it just like it says on the menu, on the board. Awesome. Okay, now we're headed to Lowe's to get a couple of things.
Okay.
Yeah, okay.
We got wood glue to keep our screws in place for our table and chairs, and then just got some Roundup here at Lowe's. Even though we're at the RV park, we have to keep our area clean, and the weeds are growing because it's been raining a lot.
Yeah, it's been getting quite a bit of rain, so the weeds pop up in the desert. Okay, on to State Trailer. We'll see you there. Okay, yeah, we just we got this State Trailer RV and outlet supply that's got a ton of RV and trailer stuff, but anyway, we broke the latch on the screen door, so hopefully this looks like it. I should have taken a picture of it before we came, but so that's going to be the latch for the screen door. And then these RV rain gutters, because and I'll show you this probably in a different video, maybe this one, but the original rain gutters, they only come out like this far from the side of the RV, so water winds up going down the side of the RV, and that's how you get delamination, which we do have a little delamination, not bad, and it hasn't gotten worse since we got it, but yeah, these gutters will make the water, you know, not run down the side. It'll just drop onto the ground. So, okay.
One more stop, back to Lowe's.
Yeah, we got to go back to Lowe's. Our toilet seat broke, but they want $75 for one here, and the dude suggested that we just go try Lowe's or Home Depot. Yeah, it's amazing. The stuff that you put in an RV, how much more expensive it is than a residential home. So, all right, I'll go back to those. All right, let's take care of these weeds. Okay, so you can see here the handle broke off. This part cracked, and actually the handle didn't break. This broke, and then the handle fell out. So looks like this is the right one. Just 2 screws. Okay. Of course, wouldn't be just as easy as the screws going right into the same hole. If you can see right here, it's just a few millimeters off, so I'm going to have to drill another hole right there. So, okay, got her on. A little bit tight right here, but that'll wear in a little bit. Won't be so hard to. Yeah, okay. Well, this is kind of a productive day, huh?
Yeah, I think we accomplished a lot.
Yeah.
A lot done.
Yeah, thanks. Hope you guys enjoyed coming along with us.
It was tiring, but yeah, that's kind of what a day can look like.
Yeah. Too bad Heidi's was closed. The good sandwiches.
Yeah.
Got the door latch fixed. Still isn't exactly the same, but at least it's not broken. What else?
Got the toilet fixed.
Toilet's fixed. Yep. Yeah. But anyway, okay, we're gonna wrap this here, you guys. Oh yeah. For some of you that are watching in the community comments, my computer crashed. That's what took the delay, and then choosing and getting the some good editing software. So I've had these 2 videos, and we just did one today too. So still learning this editing software. It's pretty powerful stuff. So if you can be patient with that too. But yeah, hopefully the videos will come a little more regular, like they used to. So love you guys. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Hit that notification bell so you get notified, and check the community tab for. I'll put updates in there, if we haven't posted or so. But anyway, I guess we'll see you in a few days.
Yeah, our next adventure.